With the increasing number of vehicles, traffic accidents have also increased, especially accidents such as two-wheeled motorcycles and electric bicycles. Helmets have an undeniable role in protecting the lives of riders in their daily life. We developed a smart helmet that integrates AI voice and mobile phone assistant and integrates video shooting and recording. It protects the rider's head safety while also recording video and audio throughout the ride, recording the beautiful scenery along the way.
Hi Siri, navigate to Science Park.
Which library? Tap the one you want.
Hi Siri, play music.
Your music library is empty.
Hi Siri, call Tony number.
Calling Tony. Mobile.
Hi Siri, send WeChat to Miss Chen.
When there is an unexpected situation, it can restore the truth about the accident, making you more secure. In addition, it has the functions of making voice calls, navigating, texting, WeChatting, listening to music, weather inquiry, etc. It frees the rider's hands completely, eliminating the need for manual operation and making the ride safer.